Introducing Simtech Solutions Digital Whiteboard. These high-resolution Android tablets replace traditional grease marker boards. By streamlining care provider workflow, it improves the overall patient experience. And in-room whiteboards reside at the foot wall of the bed and show patient information in real time. Facilities can display the care team on duty. This information can be pulled from their scheduling software and automatically updated as shifts change. Once a patient is admitted, their information will auto-populate the whiteboard with information from electronic health records. All information is displayed in a HIPAA-compliant format using abbreviations and protocol flags. Caregivers can update patient information directly from the whiteboard, which automatically updates the electronic health records. Additionally, caregivers can show patients' schedule, prescribed medications, rounding reminders, and leave notes for the patient or care team. When integrated with a real-time locating system, whiteboards can display the picture and name of the care provider that has entered the room. Additionally, a visitor log displays a history of rounding times, showing patient and family how often they were seen. The system can also integrate with nurse call systems. When a call is placed, the whiteboard displays the type of call and an elapsed time. Care providers can share MRIs, X-rays, and other diagnostic scans with patients and have the ability to zoom and draw on high-resolution images. Before a patient is discharged, they can watch educational content on their diagnosis. These videos can be assigned by care providers and alleviate printed hard copies. Screen layouts, backgrounds, formatting, and facility branding are customized to each facility. Optional hallway displays can be tied into the in-room whiteboard to display patient information, precautionary protocols, and last staff visit to caregivers entering the room. When integrated with the nurse call system, calls are displayed outside in the hallway, and the perimeter of the tablet illuminates. The light will then synchronize with the color of the dome light. Each whiteboard has built-in cameras that allow teleconferencing. Caregivers can call the patient from the hallway whiteboard to the in-room patient whiteboard, minimizing contact but still providing adequate care while preserving PPE. The last piece of the whiteboard system is the staff whiteboard. This is placed at the nurse station and displays care team, rounding history, nurse call alerts, visitor restrictions, and percent of education completed. Information is automatically pulled from the EHR and can be pushed back to avoid duplication of entry. For more information or to schedule a demonstration, please visit us at simtechsolutions.com.